everyone, guys! Today we are going to make slime with you. We need 100 grams of PVA glue. Oh, wait. Yes. Guys, what do you think? Will our slime turn out soft? Or pleasant there? Write in the comments what you think. Yes. There is a lot of it here. Well, 100 grams. 100 milliliters, and I thought it would be less. While Andreyushka waits until the glue pours out, we take 2 tablespoons of shaving foam. What? How is it done? Well, just press. And how do you hold the spoon? Well, okay, Pavlik didn't succeed, I will do it. Oh, wait a minute. 1. Adding. And the second. Well, carefully, Pavlik. Half a teaspoon of soda. And a whole teaspoon, a spoon, of lens solution. Hold it now. Okay. Pouring out. And wait, close it. And now we can already start mixing. Cool. You can too. Okay. He is so cool. And pleasant. Probably, to the touch he will be very pleasant. Now I want to use my hands. Pleasant. Wait, here you need to mix. With your hands too as well. Andrey, the spoon is stirring. Come on, can I try? Let's try pouring it onto the table. Okay, just here in the middle, let's... You smeared me. And the spoon is still floating somewhere there. Come on. Pavlik, well, wait, come over here. Well, I am holding it. Here. So come on, we still need to mix. Maybe that is all. Actually, no, how can everything be... So Pavlik, did it work? Well, yes. How yes? Is this slime? Well, yes. No, this is slime. Doesn't look like anything at all. And to me, it looks very much like it. Pleasant. It's like some kind of anti-stress, this roguelike. Probably, it didn't work out.
А причина в том, что в составе для линз не было борной кислоты, но ее можно купить отдельно в аптеке и добавить.
Well then, bye everyone. The slime didn't work out.